Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Philips Hue app to install lights and scenes step by step clearly. To start, ensure your smartphone is connected to the internet. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Find the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Type in Philips Hue and tap search. Look for the Philips Hue app in the search results. It should display an icon with a colorful light bulb. Tap on the app to open its details page. Check the app's ratings and reviews if desired. To download the app, tap the Get button. You might need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID. Once the app finishes downloading, tap Open to launch it. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. Locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Philips Hue and press Enter. Find the Philips Hue app from the list of results. It will also have the colorful light bulb icon. Tap the app for more details. Check the ratings and reviews if you wish. Then, tap the Install button. Once the installation completes, tap Open to start the app. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Philips Hue lights. You'll want to connect the app to your Philips Hue bridge. Ensure your Hue bridge is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Then, tap Get Started in the app. The app will search for the bridge automatically. Once it finds your bridge, follow the prompts to link them. After linking, you can add lights to your setup. Select Add Light to begin the process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.